After spending 35 days in custody in connection with the murder of Tob Cohen, the case against Sarah Wairimu continues to drag, following frequent legal battles between the prosecution and the defense team.
On the basis of a mere charge sheet.
Sarah appeared in court for the third time for purposes of plea taking on Thursday, but the proceedings took a new twist after the prosecution refused to proceed with the matter, claiming Philip Murgor's appointment as state prosecutor is yet to be revoked.
We are in the process of starting the said revocation. We will be sending the said documents to the Honorable Attorney General. And that's what we needed to confirm, that this Gazette notice dated 15th January 2019 has not been revoked, and the appointment has not been revoked, but we are in the process of starting the same.
According to the Assistant Director of Public Prosecution, Catherine Mwaniki, despite the Director of Public Prosecution receiving a letter of resignation from the former public prosecutor, due process must be followed. However, appearing before Justice Stella Mutuku, Murgor challenged the application, terming it as a distraction and a waste of time, insisting that he resigned as a state prosecutor on 7th March this year.
Whenever they want to take advantage, they just raise an issue with about a defense counsel. As of now, there is no prejudice if she takes her plea, whether or not I stand here.
But even as the court prepares to pronounce itself on the fate of Sarah's lawyer in the case, both the prosecution and defense team are engaged in yet another battle of contempt of court. In an application, the state has filed contempt proceedings against Murgor and his client Sarah Wairimu for allegedly commenting on the case outside court during the burial of the late Cohen on 24th September. On the other hand, the defense team has filed similar contempt proceedings against the Director of Criminal Investigations for allegedly leaking information related to the murder case to the media in contravention of court orders restraining parties in the case from commenting on the case outside court. Justice Mutuku directed both parties to file and serve, with the matter scheduled to be heard on 15th October. Elsewhere, the much-awaited ruling on an appeal by the Director of Public Prosecution against the acquittal of suspects accused of defrauding Miwani Sugar Company 2.3 billion shillings has been postponed for a second time. The High Court in Nairobi will now instead issue a notice on the ruling date into the matter. In the case, Shuwinda Chate, Iron Miner, Philip Odongo, Panaito Okoyo and Crossley Holdings Limited were acquitted for lack of evidence before the Director of Public Prosecutions appealed their acquittal. Ben Chumba, reporting for Scales of Justice.